Okay, so just continuing along here, I know I'm keeping this uber simple, and for some of you, you don't need this extra help, but bear with me because I will be covering other things and I'll be moving pretty fast. So, for those of you that aren't so tech savvy, I just want to follow every step so there can be no confusion because it's so important to get you involved in the cryptocurrency industry, no matter where you're starting from. So, we're going to verify your email address. So, you should have gotten an email from Coinbase. It says, please verify your email address. And I'll click on that link, just kind of follow along if you haven't already done this. And then you're going to select your state. So we're going to go ahead and choose a particular state. Alaska is not my state. This is just a practice, so it doesn't matter, but choose your state. You can also change your country so that you can, if you're in a different location than the United States, and choose your location and then hit submit. And then you'll see this page come up. It's showing you the different cryptocurrencies that they exchange at this exchange called Coinbase. Again, Coinbase is one of the most reputable exchanges. There's lots of them, though. If you were to go online and look up exchanges, you'd find a number of them. They all have different exchange rates and so forth. Some of them allow you to exchange hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. I'll be talking in the future about why there's hundreds of different cryptocurrencies, how many of them, most of them, do not even plan to be ever used as a currency, but rather as a representation of value for their company or their idea. Again, there's so many opportunities that most people just don't know about, and I'll be catching you up on all that when the time is right. Right now, let's just stay focused on getting you set up with Coinbase. Now you have your initial account set up, but you do need to, buy some cryptocurrency. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to buy your first cryptocurrency, even if it's just with $1. Now I'm going to be recommending that you do $100. I'll get a $10 Bitcoin bonus when you do that if you registered through my link, and you will get a $10 Bitcoin bonus deposited in your account if you do that. But if you're not in a position to do $100, you just want to do $1 or $10 just to start this process, you can do that as well. All I encourage you to do is get started one way or another, because when you have some Bitcoin, then you're more engaged and involved. It has that effect, and you're going to learn, as opposed to the mistake I made 5 years ago where I was learning about this stuff but I never bought any. And so I was just kind of just letting it all go over my head, and I missed 5 years of incredible opportunity. Literally, there's no question in my mind I would have tens of millions of dollars more right now in my bank account had I just bought $1 or $100 worth of Bitcoin 5 years ago when I was learning about this, because I would have paid more attention, even though it was a small amount of money. So again, my encouragement, if you can do it, purchase $100 worth of cryptocurrency, worth of Bitcoin. My next video will show you how. If you can't afford that, do less. It's okay. Do what you can do. Just get in the game right now, right away, so that you don't miss the boat, because there's a lot more I can show you and teach you about the opportunities beyond just Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are changing the world, and I just want to show you how to get involved with it and understand what's going on so you can at least be seeing how to get in front of it. All right, I'll see you in the next video.